There are a lot of lip treatment balms available in the market, but this one has to be the coolest because it's Tipsy Beauty's newest launch, the Pout Polish Lip Treatment Balm. This isn't just any lip balm, it's a triple threat: repair, glaze, hydrate. And of course, since it's a Tipsy product, they had to give a unique spin to it. This metal tip applicator is my absolute favorite. Now let's talk shades. Chocolate fondant, so chocolatey. Caramel toffee, rich and buttery. Coconut crumble, clear and dreamy. Raspberry lollipop, crushed juicy berries. Strawberry cheesecake, sweet and shimmery. I bet you won't regret getting these lip balms.